Hi, welcome back to Robin Bits and Pieces. I bought this mirror quite some time ago for like maybe 50 cents or $1. It's plastic, it's this ugly gold. I spray painted the front white. On one of the DIY programs on TV, I saw where they had taken large silk flowers and they had thinned down some spackling compound, dipped them in it, let it dry, and then spray painted them. These are little bitty flowers, and I didn't want to go to the mess of the spackling compound, so I spray painted these all white. It did soak in, and you can see a little bit of the color through, but I really kind of like how it's turning out. You can still see the pink through a little bit, but I think I'll like the way that looks. I'm going to pop the ends off of all these, and I'll be right back. I've got all my flowers pulled off the stem, and if you want these more of a solid white, I would go ahead and dip them in the spackling compound. I'd thin it down till it was almost cake batter size. I'd leave the stems on, and I would hang them upside down, like maybe on a metal hanger, and hang them up and let them drip off, so that you didn't have all that extra gooped around there. And I'm just going to start gluing these to this picture frame. And I'm going to fill it in all the way around. From an ugly gold plastic mirror to this, leave a thumbs up below, like, subscribe, and share.